Hey guys, so we are here at St. Therese Columbarium to visit my in-laws. Walang traffic from Pampanga to Pasay, pero it's raining. So later we're gonna go to my mom and my dad.
Where's the thing of Martha Horrigan?
Visit my Tita Lynn also. She's the sister of my mom. So first time to visit my Tita Lynn. Tita Lynn ko super bait. While growing up talagang wala akong masabi. She was so nice to us. Hello Tita Lynn. Thank you for everything. Magkasama na kayo ni Mommy, Tito Kauro. May you rest in peace.
Hail Mary, full of grace, the Lord is with thee. Blessed art thou amongst women.
Blessed is the fruit of thy womb, Jesus. Holy Mary, Mother of God, pray for us sinners, now and at the hour of our death. So we visited my in-laws and my Tita Evelyn and Tito Kauro. I miss them so much. Please continue to watch over us. We love you. We miss you.
Yan.
Okay.
Diretso lang.
Diretso lang
kayo. Malinaw ba yung ano ko?
Oo, super linaw.
Okay. Sige, diretso lang.
Okay lang.
I'm here at my dad's grave. Dad, I'm here already. Ay, nako. First time ko makikita yung dad ko since he passed away last year. I love you, Dad. Hello, Da. I'm here already, Da. I miss you, Da. it's raining today. It's a Sunday. So it's my dad's first death anniversary. I miss you so much, Tita. I'm so happy na na-visit na kita today. Just in time for your first death anniversary. Pinipigilan ko umiyak kasi I know my dad is in a better place now. Pero sobrang namimiss ko siya. We just want to document everything para mapanood namin pagtanda namin. You know? So, nandito kami sa libingan ng mga bayani. My dad is laid here sa mga kasama ng mga generals, na mga kaibigan niya for sure. Lahat dito kaibigan ng dad ko. I love you, Da. I'm sure happy ka ngayon, Da. Kasama mo si Mommy. I love you, Da. Love you so much, Da.
There, visiting your dad in his gravesite on the first year anniversary.
It's windy. Bye, Da. We're gonna visit you again, Da. I love you. Okay, careful, ah. Oo, si Harvey.
Hi, Harvey.
So we are here in Manila Memorial to visit my mom. So naka-video call yung brother ko. Tinuturo niya kung saan yung way going to my mom's grave. So yung son ko naka-video call sa brother ko.
Or diretso pa.
Where?
Katabi. No, not there, not there.
Dito. Yan, ayan na si Mami. Hi, Ma. Yan, okay na?
Oo. Because it needs like a rock or something. Here.
Sige.
Here's a rock.
Sige, ako na bala.
Yan.
Hi, Ma. I miss you, Ma. I know you know that I love you so much, Ma. Namimiss ko yung mga kwentuhan natin everyday. Please continue to watch over us, Ma. Please guide us. We love you so much, Ma. So, we visited my mom already. I miss my parents. I love you, Ma. May you rest in peace, Ma. Thank you for everything, sa lahat ng tulong mo sa amin through the years. And please watch over us. Praying for you every day, Ma. So we're gonna visit my Lola Letty, yung mom ng mom ko. That's my Lola nga, yeah. Hi, Lola. Minsan lang kami makadalaw. So, nag-visit na rin kami sa Lola namin. Malapit lang pala siya sa grave ng mom ko. We are here in SMBF, so we're gonna have early dinner. We visited our loved ones already. So, kakain muna kami dito before we head back to Pampanga. There. Ayan, I saw it already. We chose this mall kasi nandito yung Mr. Kebab, favorite namin. I think it's past 4 in the afternoon. So we're gonna have early dinner. Plus gutom na yung mga bata.
Beef special cello kebab with double ground. And then instead of rice, pwede ano yung... No, pwede yung... No, yung pita bread na yan. So, yung pita bread. Oo, okay. And then some...
I still can't believe na nandito na kami sa Philippines and we were able to visit my parents, our loved ones. Umuulan lang eh. Mixed emotions. Masaya na malungkot. Masaya dahil na-visit namin sila. Malungkot kasi nami-miss namin sila. So I documented everything. Nag-video ako para pagtanda namin, mapanood namin. And it's not every day na we can visit them kasi sa Pampanga kami. But we'll try our best sa mga special occasions. So, it's past 4 p.m. and gutom na kami. Double. Okay.
Wow! No.
Yogurt. Yogurt. So we're done eating and maghahanap na kami ng desserts. So we ordered 1 beef korma sauce, 1 hummus mutabal, and 1 special chalo kebab. Then 6 pita bread, rice, what else? Keema with eggplant. So total is 1,300. So pwede na nabusog kami. 1,365. Yan, nabusog kami. So we're done eating. Hanap kami ng desserts. Gusto ko mag-coffee eh. What's that? Ayan. So, maglakad-lakad muna kami before we go back to Pampanga. Time, nag-order lang ako ng classic pearl milk tea and yung sa kids ko chocolate mousse.